Hi, welcome to our tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create a study using iMotion's attention tool. First off, we're going to click on the left to add a study. And once we've added a study, we now want to name it. In this case, we're going to call it advertising study, but we could label as anything. Next, we can set the exposure time to either automatically move between stimuli or manually move between stimuli. The default is 6 seconds in Attention Tool, but you can set it to anything you want. Next, we want to check our screen resolution. It needs to match whatever is on our computer monitor screen. We can simply randomize stimuli, or if we have a more complex test plan, we can load that using Excel. Next, we might want to add a description of our study. In this case, we're going to call it eye tracking study using print advertisements. Once we click OK, next we'll want to specify which sensors we're using. Of course, in this case, we'll be using our Tobii T60XL eye tracker. We could set the outlier filtering on and off. We'll set it off at this point. We can make that decision later. If we had any other sensors or hardware that we would be using, we could specify that there. In this case, we'll just we'll keep the camera on and also enable facet. We'll take a look at facet a little bit later. Okay, next we want to add stimuli. We have several options here. We're going to add a stimuli from file. We're going to click whichever print ad we want to add first. Okay, down here we see the name of the print ad. Of course, you can rename it if you'd like. Again, exposure time was 6 seconds. If we're ready to go, click record. There, if we wanted to add multiple stimuli, you can highlight several of the print ads at once and add them all simultaneously. So we have it, again, we have it set to randomize the order of the stimuli, so we don't have to specify any particular order at the top. Okay, next we want to add our respondent. We'll put it, identifying information. In this case, we're going to have Luke as our respondent today. He is a male. We'll specify his age. If we want to segment by any particular group, race, etc., we could specify that there. If you wanted more detailed demographic information, such as his address or phone number, we could add that. If you wanted to add a qualitative description of the subject, you could add that as well. Once you click add, you're ready to begin your study.